Finding the perfect body lotion can be a game changer for your skin, especially when dealing with dryness, rough patches, or a lack of hydration. With so many options available, it's important to choose one that suits your skin type and addresses your specific needs. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 body lotions that stand out for their exceptional performance and benefits. Whether you're looking for deep hydration, a lightweight formula, or long-lasting results, we've got you covered. Kicking off our list at number 1, Nivea Essentially Enriched. The Nivea Essentially Enriched Body Lotion is a classic favorite known for its deeply hydrating formula. Enriched with almond oil, it penetrates deeply to nourish and restore dry, flaky skin, leaving it visibly smoother and softer. Key features: this lotion features a rich, creamy texture that's infused with almond oil and the signature Nivea scent. Its advanced formula locks in moisture for up to 48 hours, making it ideal for extremely dry skin. Benefits and usage: perfect for dry and rough skin, this lotion delivers long-lasting hydration and helps to strengthen the skin barrier. Apply generously to your body, focusing on particularly dry areas like elbows, knees, and heels. It's best used after a shower for optimal absorption. Usability: although rich in texture, it absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, making it suitable for everyday use. Its soothing formula is perfect for use in colder months when skin tends to become drier. Durability: packaged in a sturdy bottle with a flip cap, it's easy to dispense and lasts a long time. The generous size and affordable price make it a great value for those seeking effective hydration on a budget. In the second spot, we have Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion. The Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion is a dermatologist-recommended option designed to tackle extremely dry, flaky skin. With its unique combination of ceramides and urea, it provides intense hydration while repairing the skin's natural barrier. Key features: this lotion contains ceramides to restore the skin barrier, urea for gentle exfoliation, and glycerin for intense hydration. Its lightweight, fast-absorbing formula is fragrance-free, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: best for very dry or sensitive skin, it reduces roughness, improves texture, and locks in moisture for 48 hours. To use, apply a small amount to clean, dry skin and massage gently until absorbed. It's suitable for daily application, even on sensitive areas. Usability: the non-greasy, fragrance-free formula makes it a practical choice for anyone who prefers a simple yet effective lotion. Its hypoallergenic properties ensure it's safe for those with sensitive skin conditions, like eczema. Durability: packaged in a pump bottle for convenience, it ensures precise usage without wastage. A little goes a long way, and its long-lasting hydration reduces the need for frequent reapplication. Coming in at number 3 is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. The Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion is a popular choice for those seeking a natural, soothing solution for dry skin. Formulated with colloidal oatmeal, it hydrates and protects skin while improving its overall health. Key features: this lotion is enriched with colloidal oatmeal, known for its soothing and hydrating properties, and is clinically proven to improve skin moisture levels in just 1 day. It's fragrance-free and non-comedogenic, making it suitable for all skin types. Benefits and usage: ideal for dry and sensitive skin, this lotion provides instant relief and long-lasting hydration. Apply generously after showering to lock in moisture and enjoy softer, healthier-looking skin throughout the day. Usability: its lightweight and fast-absorbing formula make it perfect for daily use. The non-greasy texture ensures comfort, even in hot and humid weather. It's gentle enough for use on sensitive areas, including the face. Durability: the bottle's flip-top design allows for easy dispensing, and the product lasts for months, even with regular use. Its natural formula is a great choice for anyone looking for effective hydration without harsh chemicals. Taking our 4th spot is Lubriderm Daily Moisture Lotion. The Lubriderm Daily Moisture Lotion is a dermatologist-developed formula that combines hydration and simplicity. Designed for normal to dry skin, it provides long-lasting moisture without unnecessary additives. Key features: this lotion features provitamin B5 and essential moisturizers that improve skin texture and hydration. Its lightweight, non-greasy formula is quickly absorbed and fragrance-free, making it a versatile choice for the whole family. Benefits and usage: suitable for normal to dry skin, this lotion locks in moisture for 24 hours, leaving skin soft and smooth. Use it daily after a shower to maintain healthy hydration and prevent dryness. Its gentle formula is even safe for tattoo care. Usability: its quick-absorbing formula makes it a hassle-free option for busy mornings. The non-greasy texture ensures comfort and compatibility with all skin types, including sensitive skin. Durability: packaged in a large pump bottle, it offers convenience and value. The affordable price and effective results make it a household staple for many families. And finally, at number 5, we have Neutrogena Hydro Boost Body Gel Cream. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost Body Gel Cream is a lightweight, water-based moisturizer that delivers intense hydration without heaviness. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it quenches dry skin instantly and keeps it hydrated all day. Key features: this lotion features hyaluronic acid, a powerhouse ingredient that attracts and retains moisture in the skin. Its gel cream texture absorbs quickly and is oil-free, making it perfect for those who prefer a non-greasy feel. Benefits and usage: best for dry and combination skin, it replenishes moisture, improves skin elasticity, and provides a refreshing, cooling sensation. Apply generously to clean skin and reapply as needed throughout the day. Usability: the lightweight formula is ideal for hot and humid climates, leaving no sticky residue. It's dermatologist-tested, non-comedogenic, and suitable for all skin types, including oily and acne-prone skin. Durability: packaged in a sleek squeeze tube, it's easy to carry and use. Despite its slightly higher price point, its unique hydrating formula and quick absorption make it worth the investment. Choosing the right body lotion can make a huge difference in maintaining healthy, hydrated skin. From the rich hydration of Nivea Essentially Enriched to the lightweight feel of Neutrogena Hydro Boost, these top 5 lotions cater to a variety of skin types and needs. Try one of these options today to experience smoother, softer skin every day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare reviews and tips. Let us know your favorite body lotion in the comments below.